Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to take a screenshot in your Tecno Camon 20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno Camon 20 and you are wondering how to take a screenshot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, I am in this screen and I would like to take a screenshot. So what you have to do, you need to use this Tecno power button and volume down rocker button together. So you need to just slightly press and move your fingers. So for example, I'm in this screen and I would like to take a screenshot. So what you have to do, you need to use this power button and volume down rocker button together, press and move your finger, and that's going to be immediately take a screenshot. You can see, for example, I'm in this screen and I would like to take a screenshot. So what I have to do, you need to use this power button and volume down rocker button together, slightly press and move your finger, and that's going to be take a screenshot. Also, there's another quick shortcut way you can take a screenshot. You can use your three finger. For example, I am in this screen and I would like to take a screenshot. I'm going to use this three finger and that's immediately going to be take a screenshot. For example, I'm in this screen, so I have to just swipe down just like this within three finger, and that's going to be take a screenshot. Also, there's another way to take a screenshot. For example, I'm in this screen and I want to take a screenshot. What you have to do, swipe down and then you will find here this quick launcher. There is a screenshot. So if you click a screenshot, that's going to be immediately take a screenshot. Also, there is if you want to long screenshot in your Tecno Camon 20, you can do that too. For example, I'm in this screen, so this is a large space and I want to take a screenshot this whole page. So for that, you need to swipe down and then you will find here something say, if you click this three dot, you're going to find here something say scrolling screenshot. So if I choose this scrolling screenshot, so it will take a scrolling screenshot. So for example, whatever place I want, that's going to be take choosing all this area, and after that if I click here done, that's going to be appear taking a screenshot, and that's you can see how large it is. So all this going to be after done you selecting, you can make it save, and all them going to be saved in your gallery. So if I go here AI gallery and then if I go here album, and we will find here something say screenshot folder separately, and then you can see just now I took all the screenshots appear here. So within this simple way you can easily take a screenshot in your Tecno Camon 20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.